I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials and adjusting DNS because many server cannot be found, errors come from network or name resolution issues. First, restart your device and toggle Wi-Fi. This clears transient glitches. Once done, switch to a known DNS like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 in your router or device settings to bypass bad ISP records. Make sure to test another website to isolate Safari. If other apps work, the problem is likely browser or cached DNS entries rather than full connectivity. Next, you perform targeted cleanups because corrupted cache, extensions, or stale DNS cache can block lookups. Clear Safari history and website data, then disable any extensions to rule out interference. On iOS, reset network settings. On Mac OS, renew the DHCP lease in Network Preferences. Then flush the DNS cache. Terminal commands on Mac or a full reboot on iPhone accomplish this. After these steps, try loading the site again so you can tell whether the issue was local browser state or deeper network configuration. Finally, you perform advanced verification to pinpoint persistent failures. Test the website on another device and on cellular to see if the router or ISP is blocking DNS. Inspect router rules for parental controls, firewall entries, or custom host blocks and remove problematic entries. If the error remains, run a traceroute and DNS query so you can show precise failures. Make sure to contact your ISP with that data. They can correct upstream DNS or routing, and that single troubleshooting tip often resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.